What's going on, guys? Good morning, good evening, whatever time of the day it is for you. So we got another job here with Premier One Home, a job picking up some trash around the dumpster at the apartment complex. It's a nasty job, but somebody got to do it. So I'm gonna be the one who's gonna be doing it. So let's get to it. Guys, we're just now pulling up to the site. I gotta take some pictures. Yeah, it's cold out here. Let's go and get to it. Let's get nasty. Making a little progress, as you can see. Not too much, but a little bit.